In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload assignment on Microsoft Teams. Uploading your work correctly is really important because it's how your teacher can see your progress, give you feedback, and record your grade. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of attaching and sending your assignment file in a Microsoft Teams chat step by step, so you can feel confident that your work has been shared properly. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat where you need to send your assignment. This might be a chat with your teacher, a class group, or a specific channel your school uses for assignments. Once you're in the right chat, look at the bottom of the screen for the message box, where you normally type your messages. Just below that chat box, you'll see several icons. Among them, you should find a small plus sign. This plus sign is the button you'll use to add or attach something to your message. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, Teams will open a menu with different options for adding content. From that menu, you want to choose the option called Upload from this device. This tells Teams that you want to attach a file that's saved on your computer, tablet, or phone, instead of using a file stored in the cloud. Click on Upload from this device, and a file browser window will open. Now, navigate to where your assignment is saved. This might be in your Downloads folder, your Documents folder, your desktop, or a specific school folder you've created. Take your time to make sure you select the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of your work. It's a good idea to name your file clearly, for example, including the subject and your name, so your teacher can easily recognize it. Once you've found the right file, click on it, then click Open in the file browser window. Microsoft Teams will attach the file to your chat message. Before you send it, you can type a short note to your teacher, such as the assignment title or any important details they should know. Finally, when everything looks good, hit the send button in the chat. Your assignment file will be uploaded and delivered through Microsoft Teams. You should see the file appear in the conversation, which confirms that it's been attached successfully.